Surely free tools can be supported by third-party vendors if internal resources are limited.
Absolutely.
Yep, totally agree. I would say yes, you can use third parties, and even in enterprise solutions, third parties have their place. Telium has a partner network that allows clients the choice and the flexibility to use either partners that are closer to them geographically or closer fit or specialising in their industry, but they'll have been trained up. And I guess that's one of the double edges of free, is there's a low barrier to entry for free. It's not to say it is free, but it's easier to start on that journey.
Yeah.
That is good for the client, but it also means it's easy for partners to get to the same level. We have a great partner network, and we spend a lot of time and effort in making sure that they understand our products, understand how to deploy them, are able to support the clients as if they were part of our team. Not all agencies and third parties are created equal.
Mm-hmm.
And I think with a free tool, it's very easy for an agency that perhaps specialises in analytics, and somebody says, oh, can you do optimization? Oh, there's a free one. Yeah. Oh, yeah, we can do that. We can read up on it. And so it's very easy to get a team to support you that maybe don't have the level of skills that you need.
Mm.
And then they have exactly the same, are in exactly the same position. You hit a roadblock. Oh, it's all right, we've got an agency, we'll phone them up.
Yeah, but it's
They
not
don't know
about
anymore.
it's not about the who.
Mm.
It doesn't matter if that person is in an agency or they're working for the organisation. It's about how quickly that person can deploy the technology for you to get the marketeer or the department to the end goal of achieving the deployment that they want. So it's not about saying agencies or not agencies. It's about ensuring that your business is agile no matter who is delivering the activity.
What happens when something goes wrong with free software tools?
The first thing that happens with free tools that go wrong is everybody panics, because you have that anxiety that there is no support, there is nobody on the end of the phone. Actually, I shouldn't say no support, there's email and there's frequently asked questions, as Alex mentioned, but there's no immediate support for your need. And when you're in trouble with something, you just want help immediately. You know, it's like a child who wants the next toy. You want that help immediately. And that's not possible with free software. It might be that you're doing something in quite a bespoke way, so therefore, because it's not standard, you hit a roadblock. And when you hit a roadblock and people panic, then comes out the magic word, workaround. And then so you add a workaround to a previous workaround. I think in financial organisations you have a term for this, or in software you have a term for
in
this,
software
Alex.
development is the concept of technical debt, as you sort of build upon workarounds or sort of fudges of ways to do things. Every time you then need to do something else, the question is, do we spend the time fixing that and sort of paying off our debt, or do we build upon it, increasing our debt?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and the meanwhile, the marketing team or the customer insights team or whichever customer facing team it is that's trying to deploy a new project has to wait and wait. And the thing that they wanted to do to build trust in their brand with their consumers or to drive revenue waits. And then that hurts the business. And then, of course, you're getting into very large costs of using a free tool.
So in summary, what is the greatest benefit of working with a paid platform solution?
It's the support, and I think that's on a couple of levels. So it's the support of the platform itself, and as you said, the ability to pick up a phone, it's broken, it's done, things not working, all the controls they've got there. It's support on the deployment, so again, whether you use a partner or whether you use the software vendor themselves, there should be a certain level of support there to either educate the end users, the partners, or help with the deployment themselves. And then support at the account level. So being able to have those regular catch-ups, those regular conversations. How are you getting on? What are the problems? How can we help? All of those I think are really key. And that as a combined package I think is something that you see in abundance in an enterprise solution that you don't in free software.